Welcome to today's edition. Today I'll be taking you on how to clip piglets, newborn piglets teeth, how to clip their teeth. That is what I'll be teaching today. First of all, when a sow delivered or farrowed, it is expected that after 3 days you clip the teeth of the piglets and give them multivitamin and the iron. And the multivitamin and iron you give them, the dosage depends on their weight, but from 0.5 ml to 1 ml. That is what you are going to give them. 0.5 ml to 1 ml per piglet for iron and the multivitamin. This is done 3 to 5 days after following. Now, first thing to do is, first of all, remove the sow. Remove the sow from the
Silent fine.
Remove the sow. Yeah. You remove the sow from the room, from the pen, to avoid adenone. You understand? To avoid adenone. Then get your clipping tool. This is a clipping tool. This is how a clipping tool looks. Get your clipping tool. Some people use plier, but it's abuse. We are wounding and hurting the piglets. Get a clipping tool. This is a clipping tool. Now this is how to clip a teeth. Hold the piglet like this. You see as I'm holding the piglet. Then you cut it out. Hold it like this too. Cut it out. The essence of removing the mother is when this pig is starting, the mother will come agitating. 1 ml, this is multivitamin and this is iron. I'm using 0.5 ml for this. .5 ml for each of them. This is spray. Get your spray to mark the one that you have injected, so that you will not give overdose. Get another one. Get another one. It's very simple as long as you have all it takes. Then you count from now till next 14 days. You give them iron 1 ml, multivitamin 1 ml again. That is it. Always remember, this is Oma Talks Farm. Always subscribe, like, comment. Call my number if you have any problem, and I will follow you up. Thank you. Subscribe, share.